we love animals. So that's kind of what you need. If you don't think you can handle that and you absolutely need to do it differently, do you have an area in your home that is shaped like a rectangle, not a square? And there's a psychological thing to it. If you put a square or a circle or an octagon or any other shape, they'll poop everywhere in it. But if you put them in a rectangle, they'll go to one end, which is where you'll put the litter box, and that's where they'll...
That's my bird.
But it's too big.
Hi, Lola.
Yeah. Yeah. It's too big, though.
I love you.
Small. Yeah.
Hi,
In fact,
Lola.
what happens with that little pen area that I was telling you
Hi,
about?
Lola.
If you have your pig in there
I
and
love
your
you,
pig
Lola.
goes pee-pee, like between the bed and the
Lola.
litter box and the little pen, that's an accident.
Hi.
Okay? So that shouldn't happen.
Lola,
So
what's a
will
kitty
happen
say?
is you call me and you go, well, you know,
Kitty, kitty,
it's
kitty.
going on the floor, not in the bed, not in
Here,
the litter
kitty,
box,
kitty,
it's on
kitty,
the floor. If that happens, then I'm going to tell you.
I
We've
love
got to
you.
cinch up that area and make it a little bit smaller. It's a little
Hi, Lola.
bit like crate training. You know, like they won't potty in their resting place. Do you see what I'm saying? So if you've got this whole bedroom, which you've got a bed in and all of that, the two things that's going to cause a problem is this potty training isn't going to go off without a hitch, and it can go off.